Alright, today we are asking a question: is BYD steering the future of mobility, or is Europe still in the driver's seat? From drone equipped off roaders to feature rich, affordable EVs, China's innovation machine is accelerating, forcing a rapid shift to the global automotive landscape. Is the future being written in Shenzhen instead of Stuttgart? Is BYD truly steering the future of mobility, or is this just a hype? I'm Shuri Das, and we will talk about from being a rugged off-roader boasting drone launch functions to feature-rich electrical vehicles hitting the market at astonishingly competitive prices. The relentless Chinese innovation machine led by BYD shows no sign of slowing down. While we might question if we need every piece of this advanced tech, one undeniable fact stands out. And how? The entire automotive industry is shifting gears, and it's happening at an unprecedented pace. The market shift is plain view, particularly in Europe. Once symbol of prestige, used diesel luxury cars from German giants like Mercedes, BMW, and Audi are visibly vanishing from local roads. Where are they going? They are reappearing in droves in EU candidate nations like Albania, where demand is so strong that some Balkan dealers are even importing these German brands all the way from South Korea to meet the need. Back home in Germany, consumers are caught in a new narrative around sustainability and EVs. Yet, beneath the surface, there's a still quiet craving for the old ideas that once defined German automotive excellence: sheer power, unmatched comfort, undeniable status symbol. Now, this stark contrast raises critical question: is the automotive future genuinely being written in Shenzhen rather than the traditional automotive heartland of the Stuttgart? And more broadly, who is truly in driver's seat of this massive global transformation? Is it the customers, the regulating government, or the disruptive force of tech innovators like BYD? BYD's innovation is like drone equipped off-roaders, competitive. These are competitive EVs, rapid market shift. Automotive industry is changing rapidly. German diesel is facing mass exodus, used Mercedes, BMW, Audi vanishing from Germany. Now, new markets use German luxury cars resurfacing in Albania, etc. German consumers' dilemma is balancing sustainability with traditional ideals: power, comfort, and status. Now, the future question is automotive leadership shifting from Stuttgart to Shenzhen? Now, the shift that we are witnessing in the automotive world is led by Chinese innovators like BYD, challenges long held notions of industry leadership. Now, the tension between new technology and old ideals, sustainability and status, defines this new era. Who do you believe, who do you think will ultimately dominate the automotive future? The legacy giants, the tech disruptors, or the consumer demand driven by new values? Share your take below, your comments below. We would love to hear your side of the story. Do like, share, and subscribe our channel.